Hey, it's Emily, and today is Friday, March 16th? Yes, March 16th, 2018. We woke to 58 degrees. It is now a quarter to 8 in the morning, and 3 more degrees higher. It's about 61 now. I thought we'd start the vlog by looking at how some of the things are budding and blossoming. Of course, the peach trees already have their blossoms. Look how the leaves have grown in the last few days. Lots of new leaf buds coming out. The Asian pears look like they're about to explode. Are those blossoms? Could those be blossoms or are they leaves? I might have to look it up. It's only 3 years old. I'm not sure if a mature Asian pear is going to bear fruit that young, but that would be really cool if it did. Look at how much greener the rose is. Check out my most productive goji berry bush. Already has little flower buds that will turn into goji berries all over it. The cherry is very, very slow to bud. This is one of my 4 gummies. Slowly but surely, the leaves are coming out. It'll have flowers on it pretty soon, too. Alright, look, the leaves have actually come out. They were just little buds the last time I filmed the raspberries. The blackberries are also growing little leaves, so that's fun. And the mulberry finally has something to show you. Its leaves are starting to bud. I've got 2 mulberries here. They're different kinds. I don't remember which is which. One's white and one's black. This one is apparently a lot slower to come out. I should also tell you that right now there is no smoke smell. There was a little bit this morning when it was still dark. I don't know if it's blown off or what. We're not getting wind from the west right now. That's the fire that you saw in the vlog yesterday was to the west of it. So I don't know, maybe I dare hang the rest of the laundry. I hung a sheet out on the line. Maybe I should hang the rest of the laundry out. I don't know. But that's not really what I want to talk about. I want to talk about cucumber trellises. What to do about cucumber trellises, because our first couple years here, this was the cucumber trellis right here. Cedar posts with clothesline attached, wire clothesline, and then I have kind of taken it apart now, that's why it looks so sloppy, but I had kind of woven in other clothesline to make it more of a grid so that the cucumber would have more to hang on to. And there's completely, I don't know what happened to this line here, but anyway, it's missing. I guess maybe I had Benjamin take it off. But yeah, I wanted to do something different this year. See, most people train their cucumbers to go straight up vertically, which is great when you have a small space and you want a cucumber or 2 vines and you have a really small space. But if there is a very, very strong wind, storm comes with really strong winds, if it's growing straight up vertically, it's really easy for the vines to just get ripped off. So this year, since we have the space, I wanted to try a gently sloping trellis. So this is partway finished. I need to finish it the rest of the way. There's something I need to do. There's something I need to put on for the cucumbers to be able to climb up. So I'm going to be growing 1 cucumber in a 5-gallon bucket. It's going to be a self-watering planter. And I'll explain to you how to set that up when I actually set it up. But that's why I'm going to have 1 cucumber growing out of a 5-gallon bucket there. And I'm going to have a different variety growing out of here right next to my broccoli cage. And it's going to be trellised up going this way. How? I don't know. Because Jerry and I talked about it yesterday morning. I know what I want. And he was trying to figure out how to do it. I told him, there was one way he suggested doing it, and I was like, no, that would waste a lot of chicken wire. And, yeah, so he said he has an idea of what to do. So today, I'm going to be showing you little bits and pieces of how he's decided to build the trellis. It's going to go from here up into that trellis, which pretty much isn't going to be used that year except for whatever red Malabar spinach decides to grow up these poles. Okay, now it's a little after 5 in the evening, and here is my makeshift cucumber trellis here. As you can see, what I did was I cut out some of the loose clothesline on the trellis that's right next to it, and wove it in and out. When I got to an end, I just kind of tied it up like that, and it goes all the way up. And yeah, this is plenty. Cucumbers don't need anything complicated. Just something to grab onto and climb up. Now the answer to the big question. What did Jerry build? Ta-da! This is what he did. So here's the end of the bed. See, here's the broccoli cage. This is where the cucumbers are going to be planted. Here's the end of the bed right there. He basically, using this end of the bed and with 3 other 2x4s, he created a box. So these 2 on this side and the parallel one on the other side he screwed on. And then he screwed on this one right here. Made a box. And then he put these anchors down. 2 more shorter pieces of 2x4s. Just screwed them in long enough to go to the ground, to give this box some support. Sorry, I hit the camera. And then what he did was he got 3 cedar posts. We've got cedar all over our property. And just leaned them into the box like this. And then he put another 2x4 on top of the cedar posts just to give them a little bit extra support so that they wouldn't lean out. And then what he did, see, they're leaned up against the south trellis right there, just up on, well, under, actually they're not on the trellis, they're kind of under the clothesline there. So this could actually be freestanding, in other words. This doesn't require a fence or a trellis to lean it on. So that's how that looks. And then we had old chicken wire, and so he just used wire to tie the chicken wire. He started down, he stapled it here to the end of the bed. You see all the little staples. And stapled it here. And then stapled it up there. So there you go. Those are going to be our 2 cucumber trellises this year. Isn't Jerry smart? I always tell him I have a smart husband, because he always, since we moved here, I've given him lots of projects that I wanted done, but not like, I have a vision in my head, okay, I want this, but I'm not exactly sure how you would make it. And he goes off and he thinks about it for a little bit, and he comes up with something and does a great job of whatever he invents. So, cool. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. If you've liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please share this video with your networks, and I will see you for the next vlog. Maybe it'll be less windy, maybe not. But anyway, in the meantime, take care and be well.